What do you want, Lacey? What's that you say? Are you ready for your treats? Okay. So Lacey's on a prescription diet. It's Hill's prescription CD, which is for urinary tract health, because when she was a puppy, she had issues with crystals. So she's been on this food for a long time. It's been really good for her. She has no issues, no crystals, no stones, no bladder stones or anything like that. And she loves it, right? It's a good thing. Thank goodness you like your treats and the food. So she eats the wet and the kibble and the treats. Is that right, Lacey? I gotta say, I'm really thankful that she likes it. Otherwise, we would have a problem, wouldn't we? Would we have a problem? Hey, give me a paw. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. I'm trying not to, I'm getting crumbs all over Lacey. Okay, but you don't care. Okay. Is that good? Okay, we don't give you too many at a time, but what I do is I actually break them up into smaller pieces because they would be kind of big for her. Okay, give me your paw. Thank you. Yummy, yum, yum. Is that good? Say okay. I enjoyed my treats. I want more. Are you gonna keep talking? I think that was a yes. Okay, one more. You don't want to ruin your appetite for later, right? Good job, Lacey. You trying to steal them from me? Why are you so warm? You work yourself up into a tizzy. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. As always, have a good weekend. Lacey always looks out the door. Say, Lacey, tell everybody have a nice weekend. Say thanks for watching. Of course, you always turn around where I can't get you. I can't get you back there. Okay, it's rest time.